What if I told you that a bird, not an archaeologist, has been keeping pieces of human history safe for over 700 years? That's exactly what scientists just found inside the nests of the bearded vulture in Spain. This incredible bird, known for eating bones instead of meat, has now given us a new way to look at both nature and history. Researchers recently discovered that these vultures' nests, passed down through generations, are basically time capsules, hiding artifacts that date all the way back to the 13th century. When scientists examined a dozen nests between 2008 and 2014, they found more than 200 human-made objects tangled within the layers. Things like ropes, leather pieces, crossbow bolts, basket fragments, and even a 700-year-old sandal woven from grass and twigs. That sandal alone predates the Renaissance. Imagine it was sitting quietly in a bird's nest for centuries. The study, published in the journal Ecology, explains that the bearded vulture doesn't just collect bones for food. It also carries materials back to its nest to build and decorate. Over centuries, those materials piled up, layer by layer, forming natural museums high up in cliff. Scientists call this discovery a new window into human culture. The artifacts reveal details about how people in medieval Spain dressed, hunted, and lived, all preserved by a bird that had no idea it was helping record history. Even more amazing, these vultures tend to nest in caves or rocky cliffs with stable temperatures and humidity, conditions perfect for preservation. That's why these objects lasted so long. The bearded vulture itself is a fascinating creature. It eats bones almost exclusively, dropping them from the sky to crack them open. With a wingspan of nearly 10 feet, it's one of the largest and most majestic birds in Europe. Unfortunately, in southern Spain, the species disappeared about a century ago. But this discovery is helping scientists plan future conservation efforts. Studying these nests can reveal where vultures once thrived, what they ate, and how to bring them back. Experts say this could also inspire similar studies in other regions, like the Himalayas or Ethiopia, where bearded vultures still live. Who knows what hidden stories might still be sitting in those nests? As one ornithologist said, these birds are now recording artists of human history. So next time you look up at a vulture circling the mountains, just remember, it might be holding more than just bones. It could be guarding pieces of our past. Comment what you think about this. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates us to create helpful videos.